Welcome to the City Pavilion in Romford, your go-to place for weddings, parties and world-class bowling. Enjoy exciting bowling at affordable rates with digital game control, comfy seats and chilled drinks. Shoe rent is always included. Our massive 34-lane state-of-the-art disco-lit bowling is fun for young and old. Book a party package or one of our famous unlimited tickets. Challenge your friends and family in one of the UK's best bowling facilities. Looking for even more fun? Check out our extensive games area, including the latest trends in video and action games. Win a prize for yourself or as a gift for your loved ones. Our American-style East Coast diner offers original, delicious American food in a family-friendly environment. Treat yourself to a tasty burger and a mouth-watering milkshake prepared and served by our friendly staff. Have a drink in our 70 lounge and choose from a wide range of national and international beers and shots. And let the Rollerball DJ move your feet. Ready for even more action? Become a Laser Quest warrior and earn valuable points for your team in an action-packed sci-fi laser game that will make your adrenaline rush. The City Pavilion is one of the UK's biggest and best multi-purpose venues for large-scale weddings and corporate events. Host up to 1,500 guests in a stylish, contemporary setting completely customizable to your own personal taste. The City Pavilion. Get in touch today.